Good morning, everyone. This is Cadet Belangigi, and here is my understanding about the MARPOL Annex 1. MARPOL Annex 1 is the prevention of oil spillage from ships and to keep the sea safer from oil pollution. It's mainly the responsibility of ship's crew. Oil from the vessels can get into the sea due to accidental spills and leakage or by operational ignorance of the ship's crew. The affirmed objective of MARPOL Annex 1 is, which entered into force on 2nd of October 1983, is to protect the marine environment through the complete elimination of pollution by oil and other damaging elements and to lessen the chance of accidental discharge of any such elements. Next is the MARPOL Annex 2. The MARPOL Annex 2 came into force on 6/04/1987 and contains discharge conditions for categories of noxious substances and requirements applicable to the construction and equipment of ships carrying such substances. Unlike oil, most chemicals or noxious liquids will mix with water and not easily separated from it. The main principles of Annex 2 is to dilute cargo resides in seawater to prescribed limits depending on their pollution hazard and facilitate distribution of discharges by utilizing the wake of the ship. The discharges are required to be made below the waterline and in such way that the water or residue mixture is retained in the ship boundary layer and carried aft when it route to be distributed by the wake astern. Next we have the MARPOL Annex 3. The MARPOL Annex 3, which came into force worldwide on July 1, 1992, aims to prevent or minimize pollution of the marine environment by harmful substances in package forms. This includes freight containers, portable tanks, or road and rail tank wagons, or other forms of containment specified in the schedule for harmful substances in the IMDG code. Next we have the Annex 4 or MARPOL Annex 4. Annex 4 contains a set of regulations regarding the discharging of sewage into the sea from ships, including regulations regarding the ship's equipment and system for the control of sewage discharge, the provision of ports reception facilities for sewage, and requirements for survey and certification. It is generally considered that on the high seas, the oceans are capable of assimilating and dealing with raw sewage through natural bacterial action. Therefore, the regulation in Annex 4 or MARPOL prohibited the discharge of sewage into the sea within a specified distance from the nearest land unless otherwise provided. Thank you.